You need to take your pecan pieces, or you can do halves, whatever you want to do. Either one is okay. You just spread them out on here. We're gonna flatten them and make a nice big blanket out of them. Like that. They're all nice. Okay, now that we have our pecans done, I went ahead and melted some caramel. So what we're gonna do is give that a good stir. And I'm just using an ice cream scooper, but if you have a smaller one, feel free to use that. Okay, we're gonna keep dolloping our caramel here. I can't wait to try this and for you to try it. It's so simple and you can't help but love it. Now that we've finished with our caramel, we're gonna take our tray of pecans and caramel and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes and let it harden. All right, now that our caramels are almost ready, we're gonna come in with our chocolate and go ahead and get this prepped and ready. So just put this in a microwave safe container, melt it to your directions. Okay guys, our pecans and caramel have been chilling for about 30 minutes. We're gonna bring our chocolate in and we're gonna use the same ice cream scoop that we had. Just scoop you some up, and then you wanna cover your caramel nice and evenly over the top.
Oh my God, pecans, chocolate,
Who
caramel.
doesn't love that?
Oof.
You're gonna wanna work quickly because this caramel does harden pretty quickly, and the
Chocolate does too, I'm sure.
yes.
Oh, but it is looking so good. I feel like anything with chocolate and caramel is delicious.
Oh yes. So since you want to work really quickly, because it does harden fast, we're going to come in with some sea salt.
Oof.
Yeah, sea salt enhances chocolate. So just a touch on each one is all you need.
Oh, so we get a little savory, a little sweet.
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh. My mouth is already watering. I cannot wait to try this.
They are so good. I'm telling you, you're gonna wanna make these all the time because they're so easy. Okay, and now we're gonna take these and put them in the fridge for about an hour and let them harden up nice and hard, and then we'll come back. All right, we're gonna come in with our spatula and we're just gonna make sure that all of our little pieces are gonna be good to go to pop out. So just go around it real good. Let's see. Oh yeah, they're ready to come up. So we're just gonna keep doing that around all of them. Get them nice and ready to be plated.
So you're just breaking around those spots.
Oh yes, we're just popping them out right through here. We're just making it easier for ourselves.
No real effort, just
Yep,
cutting around it.
yep.
Okay.
So then once we get through with this, what we'll do, we'll slide this over and bring in our serving platter. And we'll just go ahead and plate it nice and nice. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh,
Oh, that caramel.
yes.
Goodness.
Doesn't that look delicious?
I love how you can see that caramel and that salt.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Oh my
guys.
gosh.
All right, we're gonna take this last one here and place it on our board here. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look delicious? Oh, I
Looks
just
so good.
have to try one. Let's see. So delicious, guys.
Oh, you see the caramel? What is this called?
Delicious turtles.
Turtles?
These are our own homemade turtles. Why buy them when you can make them at home?